Hi everyone, welcome to my video, and in this video I'll be showing us how to import our Figma design into Protopie. And before we can do that, we need to install our Protopie Studio on our laptop. And to do that, I will go to my search bar, and on my search bar I will search for Protopie Studio. I'll click on Protopie Studio download. But I have this studio downloaded on my system already. There's no need for me to download it again. I'll go back to my Figma. And on this Figma, before we can import our design, we have to install the Protopie plugin. To do this, I'll go to my Figma home. On the Figma home, I'll search for Protopie. And this have been installed as well. So there's only for me to install it again. But I will show us how we can actually install it on our Figma file. After searching for it, you just click on this Protopie, say plugin. On the plugin, it will do something like this for you. And on the love icon, we click on like or on this save, but it has been saved already, so there's no need for me to save it again. I'll go back to my content, and to import this particular design into Protopie, it has to be selected. So I've selected the design here. I'll go back to my Figma file and click on plugins. On the plugins, because I've used this Protopie plugin have been used recently, so that's why you can see it on the recent. I'll click on it and I'll click on export. This will export this design into my Protopie. And here is my design being exported from Figma into my Protopie. The next thing I'll be doing is to add some trigger into this design, in which I'll be doing in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment so as to get notified when I drop my next video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.